Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Job, chapter 12, verses 1 to 25. 1. Then Job answered, 2. No doubt, but you are the people, and wisdom will die with you. 3. But I have understanding as well as you. I am not inferior to you. Yes, who doesn't know such things as these? 4. I am like one who is a joke to his neighbor. I, who called on God, and he answered. The just, the blameless man is a joke. 5. In the thought of him who is at ease, there is contempt for misfortune. It is ready for them whose foot slips. 6. The tents of robbers prosper. Those who provoke God are secure, who carry their God in their hands. 7. But ask the animals now, and they will teach you. The birds of the sky, and they will tell you. 8. Or speak to the earth, and it will teach you. The fish of the sea will declare to you. 9. Who doesn't know that in all these, the Lord's hand has done this? 10. In whose hand is the life of every living thing, and the breath of all mankind? 11. Doesn't the ear try words, even as the palate tastes its food? 12. With aged men is wisdom, in length of days understanding. 13. With God is wisdom and might. He has counsel and understanding. 14. Behold, he breaks down, and it can't be built again. He imprisons a man, and there can be no release. 15. Behold, he withholds the waters, and they dry up. Again, he sends them out, and they overturn the earth. 16. With him is strength and wisdom. The deceived and the deceiver are his. 17. He leads counselors away stripped. He makes judges fools. 18. He loosens the bond of kings. He binds their waist with a belt. 19. He leads priests away stripped and overthrows the mighty. 20. He removes the speech of those who are trusted and takes away the understanding of the elders. 21. He pours contempt on princes and loosens the belt of the strong. 22. He uncovers deep things out of darkness and brings out to light the shadow of death. 23. He increases the nations, and he destroys them. He enlarges the nations, and he leads them captive. 24. He takes away understanding from the chiefs of the people of the earth, and causes them to wander in a wilderness where there is no way. 25. They grope in the dark without light. He makes them stagger like a drunken man. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the book of Job. Chapter 12, verses 1 to 25. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.